from Newcastle Plumbing Kings. So attended a property a few weeks ago for a leak detection in the bathroom, as the property has subsided and there was pier damage. The steps have been replaced, but the house has been propped up as the piers have been replaced. As you can see in the photo, we did a leak detection, only had a drip. I wasn't convinced that it was the bathroom what caused the damage. So when underneath was exposed, as you can see in the picture, the PVC wasn't connected to the 90-year-old pipe. Water dispersed underneath the house, causing subsidence. But also I was concerned about the drainage. So we CCTV'd the entire line and there was multiple cracks and breaks. So every time they used the fixtures in the house, water was just pouring out underneath the house. So has decided to replace the sewer. We are doing aerial drainage. There's no digging underneath the house. We're going to take it underneath the house all the way to the sewer shaft, because we guarantee all the drain will be PVC and all the clear pipe will be removed. And there is the main sewer shaft. Thanks boys. Give me a call. Chris at Newcastle Plumbing Kings. Thank you.